The first kind of problem we're going to cover today are problems that ask you to find the point where a company can break even. Break even means that a company's cost is equivalent to their profit. So if a company spends $10,000 to start up their company and their initial cost for all of their products adds to $10,000, then they break even when their profit hits $10,000. The easiest way to solve these kinds of questions is using substitution. If you take a look at this problem here, several students decided to start a t-shirt company. After initial expenses of $280, they purchase each t-shirt wholesale for $3.99. They turn around and sell each t-shirt for $10.99. How many must they solve to break even? The first thing you do is you set up your cost equation. Now in this problem, we are going to let x equal the number of t-shirts. Our y value is going to equal money. Now it's just a generic money because we're going to have a cost equation and we're going to have a profit equation. So it just is going to stand for money in this particular problem. The way that you write your cost equation is you set your y, which is your money, equal to whatever their initial costs were. So they have initial expenses of $280, so you know that's going to be a part of the cost equation. They then purchase each t-shirt for $3.99. The purchase each t-shirt stands for the cost the company is paying for the t-shirt. So that's going to go inside of your cost equation. Now that's each t-shirt for $3.99, which means we write that as plus $3.99x. The next equation is going to be our profit equation. Your profit equation is going to be how much money they make with the t-shirts. So again, you're going to let y equal your money. They sell the t-shirt for $10.99, so we're going to write that as $10.99x. If you take a look at these two equations now, they're both equal to y, which means we can use the substitution method to solve for x. Now we're only looking for the number of t-shirts they have to sell, so we're only looking for x in this problem. We're going to set the two equations equal to each other. And now you can see it's just a simple two-step equation. If you draw your great divide, you can subtract $3.99x from both sides. 7x equals 280. Divide both sides by 7. And they have to sell 40 t-shirts to break even. Now you always want to check this to make sure you did it correctly. And the way that you check it is you go to your calculator and you substitute that value into both equations to make sure that it gives you the same amount of money back. So if we substitute it into our first equation, we get a cost of $439.60. If we substitute it into our second equation, we also get $439.60. Therefore, we did the problem correctly, and your sentence would be, they need to sell 40 t-shirts to break even.